Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Bifrost Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet application, and once it is opened up, you will see the sign up as well as the login button. Now, if you already have an account and wish to log into your existing one, tap on I already have a wallet. Now, from this page, if you want to view the terms of use or the privacy policy, you can tap on the respective buttons and then read through them. Otherwise, just tap on I agree and you will be asked to enter your recovery phrase. Go ahead and tap on the recovery phrase box and enter your 12 or 24 words recovery phrase that you were given when you signed up and created your account with the Bifrost wallet. After typing all of the recovery phrases, go ahead and tap on the restore button. And now you will be allowed to create a new PIN for your existing account. Go ahead and enter your desired PIN and you will be asked to confirm it by entering it once again. Type your PIN once again and you will see the option to enable your biometric authentication. You can tap on the enable button if you wish to do so, or tap on skip if you don't want to. Now, after this step is completed, you will be logged in to your existing account on the Bifrost Wallet app, and you will also regain access to all of your funds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Bifrost Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.